Guys, welcome back to Bike Legend Pro. Today we are diving into the history of a true off-road legend, the iconic Mahindra CJ3B. A machine that ruled Indian roads, farms, and even battlefields. Let's explore what makes this classic Jeep so special. History section, old photos, black and white clips. Studio microphone. The story of the Mahindra CJ3B begins in the 1950s, inspired by the legendary Willys CJ3B from the United States. Mahindra started assembling Jeeps in India under license from Willys Motors, and soon the CJ3B became one of the most trusted utility vehicles in the country. It was simple, tough, and built like a tank. No unnecessary electronics, no luxury, just pure mechanical strength. Design and build, exterior shots. Studio microphone. The CJ3B is easily recognizable because of its high hood design, round headlights, and flat fenders. The tall hood was designed to fit a more powerful engine compared to earlier models. It came with a metal body, leaf spring suspension, and a solid axle setup, perfect for rough terrains, villages, mountains, and even army use. Engine and performance. Engine visuals. Studio microphone. Under the hood, the Mahindra CJ3B was powered by a 2.2-liter diesel engine in many Indian versions, known for its reliability and torque. It wasn't the fastest vehicle on the road, but when it came to climbing hills or driving through mud, this Jeep was unstoppable. With its 4x4 drivetrain system, it became a favorite for farmers, police departments, and off-road enthusiasts. Legacy and popularity. Emotional tone. Studio microphone. The Mahindra CJ3B wasn't just a vehicle, it was a symbol of durability and freedom. In rural India, this Jeep became a lifeline. It carried families, goods, and even hope across difficult terrains. Even today, restored CJ3Bs are highly valued by collectors and off-road lovers. Outro. Jeep driving away shot. Studio microphone. So that was the story of the legendary Mahindra CJ3B Jeep. If you love classic vehicles and off-road legends, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Bike Legend Pro, and hit the notification bell for more amazing automotive content. Comment below, would you drive this classic beast today? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.